crowd goes wild for this incredible dessert coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Your crowd will go wild when you serve our delicious hazelnut tiramisu. A traditional Italian dessert. We've changed it up a little bit. It is so decadent and so rich, so flavorful, so amazing. You have to try this. The recipe starts simply enough. We're gonna brew a strong pot of coffee, make your coffee, set it to the side. Step 2, oven goes to 425 degrees. I have a cup of hazelnuts onto that parchment lined baking sheet, into the oven about 10-15 minutes, get a little crackly, you get some fragrance. When your nuts are done, you're gonna place them onto a dish towel, gather them up, a little bit of steam action in there, and then as you rub the nuts in the towel, all of the skins will fall away and you're left with perfectly toasted, skinned hazelnuts. We're going to allow them to cool before we grate our hazelnuts, set those to the side. We head to stovetop. I have a small pan with boiling water. I'm taking a stainless steel bowl. We'll be placing it on top of that boiling water to create a double boiler. In that bowl, 6 egg yolks, 1 cup of granulated sugar, whisk in hand. You'll be at stovetop, do not leave. You're at stovetop for somewhere between 5 to 8 minutes. Continuously whisk your egg and sugar mixture. They'll get very light and fluffy. Your eggs will be done. They're gonna look a little bit like ribbons. When you lift your whisk, remove them from the heat. We're taking a small stainless bowl, a cup and 3/4 of 35% cream, hand mixer, whip the cream up, set it to the side. Now we're gonna take a cup and 1/4 of mascarpone cheese, very rich in flavor. It's at room temperature, it's in a large stainless bowl. I'm gonna add our now cooled egg mixture into the bowl, hand mixture, and we're gonna beat these ingredients until they come together. We're then gonna take our whipped cream and fold it into that egg, sugar, cheese mixture. You've just created a spectacular custard for this tiramisu. We're gonna set the custard to the side. Next step, remember the coffee. Add 2 cups of coffee into a shallow dish. We're adding 1 cup of Frangelico. Frangelico is a hazelnut flavored liqueur. We're gonna add a cup of Frangelico, put those 2 ingredients together. We're gonna be dipping ladyfingers into that coffee liqueur mixture. Not these kind of ladies' fingers. Instead, the classic Italian cookie, very slender, long in shape. We're gonna take our ladyfingers, just dip them very quickly into our coffee liqueur mixture, and then we're placing them onto an 11 by 15 casserole. Place our soaked ladyfingers into the casserole, all in the same direction, and you're gonna have that first layer of ladyfingers. Go to your custard mixture, half goes on top of these ladyfingers, just smooth them out, cover the ladyfingers with your custard. Now take a handful of your grated hazelnuts, sprinkle that on top. Let's do that whole process again. We're back with our ladyfingers, dip them in the coffee and liqueur. Don't soak them, just kind of dip, 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 place them in. Add the balance of the custard, and then the last step is a handful of your hazelnuts. We're going to cover this, and I like to leave it in the fridge at least for 8 hours, if not overnight, which is what I did with this recipe. Next day, you're ready to enjoy. Tiramisu comes out of the fridge, take off the cover, cocoa powder, classic topping. We're gonna dust the top. Be generous, don't be shy. Lots of cocoa powder across the top. Remembering the flavor profile we've just created, you have liqueur and coffee soaked cookies with a rich custard, ground hazelnuts, 2 layers of that with cocoa on top. I'm telling you, this is one of the most fantastic desserts you'll ever create. Our hazelnut tiramisu is outstanding. When you go to serve, we have a sharp knife. We're cutting into this large casserole, serves 24 small pieces. And like, don't worry about the size. They're not big honking pieces, and you'll have enough in case someone wants a second piece. It is so delicious, yet it's all about that first bite. Can I please? Like, you know, it just melts. I got goosebumps. It just melts in my mouth. The creamy custard, cookie, coffee. hazelnut flavor is remarkable. We have a bunch of other remarkable stuff at Weekend at the Cottage. Please head to our website, and when you're there, subscribe to it. Check us out on our dedicated YouTube channel, now with over 300 videos for you to reference, try, and enjoy. Finally, take a picture of this tiramisu when you make it. Post it using hashtag Weekend at the Cottage on your favorite socials: Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I know you're really excited to get started and make your own hazelnut tiramisu. Go ahead. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy mine. Come on back and visit again soon. Take care.